Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tender jackfruit masala curry recipe. Jackfruit is commonly found fruit in Kerala. We can make this tasty masala curry recipe in 30 minutes. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 3 cup of tender jackfruit pieces and 1.5 cup of water. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 1 whistle on medium flame. After 1 whistle, switch off the flame. We can open after 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, in a grinder jar, take 5 garlic cloves, 2 green chillies, 1 onion, 1 inch-sized ginger. Grind it into a paste form like this. Remove it into a bowl. Now we can open the cooker. Tender jackfruit has cooked well. Remove it into a bowl for later use. In a pan, take 3 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Then add the grinded mixture to it. Add some curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame until it becomes light brown in color. Now keep it low flame and then we can add the masalas. Add 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. For thickness, add 1 teaspoon gram flour, half teaspoon salt. Mix all together. Now add 1 tomato paste into it and mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Add half teaspoon garam masala powder and mix it well. Then add the previously cooked tender jackfruit to it. Mix it for 1 minute. We can add 1.5 cup of water. Stir it well. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Stir every 2 minutes in between. After 5 minutes, we can open the lid. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. It has cooked well. We can switch off the flame. Our tasty tender jackfruit masala curry is ready. We can serve it along with roti, chapathi or rice. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.